Hey everyone, welcome back. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to download Adobe Character Animator completely free on your PC, Mac, or laptop using Adobe's 14-day free trial. No upfront payment is required if you cancel on time. Before you start, make sure your device meets the system requirements for Adobe Character Animator. To get started, click the link in the video description below. It'll take you directly to Adobe's official site where you can start your Character Animator free trial. Once you land on the page, click Start Free Trial. Adobe will give you 14 days of full access to its All Apps plan, which includes Character Animator plus other tools like Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere Pro, and more. You'll then be prompted to choose a subscription plan. Select the monthly plan if you want complete flexibility and the option to cancel anytime. Choose the annual plan if you're planning to use Adobe long-term and want to save on the monthly cost. Next, you'll need to sign in or create a free Adobe account. Adobe will request a payment method to start the trial, but you won't be charged if you cancel within 14 days. To cancel, simply go to your Adobe account settings and follow the prompts. A quick tip, set a reminder on your calendar to cancel before the trial ends if you're testing it out. After signing in, Adobe will guide you through downloading the Creative Cloud app. Once installed, locate Character Animator in the app, click Install, and you're ready to start bringing your characters to life with motion capture and lip syncing. And there you have it. You now have 2 full weeks to explore everything Adobe Character Animator can do, knowing that you can cancel at any time within the trial period. It's a risk-free opportunity to dive into the world of animation. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and have fun animating with Adobe Character Animator.